Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Korean ebook before it's gone.
Hi everyone, I'm Jae-hui. In this video, we'll be talking about 10 lines you need for introducing yourself. Let's begin. 제 이름은 민준입니다. My name is 민준. So like this way you can say 제 이름은, my name is, your name, 입니다, to be. My name is Jae-hui, so I can say 제 이름은 재휘입니다. Or with my family name, I can say 제 이름은 이재휘입니다. So when you introduce yourself in Korean, make sure you say family name first and then your first name. 서울에 살고 있습니다. I live in Seoul. So you can put any city's name. For example, if you're living in New York City, you can say 뉴욕시에 살고 있습니다. I live in New York City. 27살입니다. I'm 27 years old. The basic way to say 27 is 27. But when you talk about your age, for example, 27 years old, you have to use native Korean numbers like in 27살, 27 years old, not 27살. Let me pick up some numbers. For example, if you're 30-year-old, you can say 저는 30살입니다. If you are 20 years old, you can say 저는 20살입니다. 한국 사람입니다. I'm from South Korea. 한국 사람입니다. I'm from South Korea, or I am South Korean. So just put your country's name instead of 한국 in this sentence. For example, if you are Chinese, you can say 중국 사람입니다. If you are American, you can say 미국 사람입니다. 중국 means China and 미국 means America. And here you have 사람 means person. So it literally means I'm a person of Korea. I'm a person of China. 교사입니다. I'm a teacher. For example, if you're a teacher, you can say 교사입니다. Or in some way, you can also say 선생님입니다. I'm a teacher. If you are a student, you can say 학생입니다. I'm a student. 독서는 제 취미 중 하나입니다. One of my hobbies is reading. If you like drawing, you can say 그리기는 제 취미 중 하나입니다. Or just to make it simple, you can say 그리기는 제 취미입니다. Which means that my hobby is drawing. 음악 감상을 즐깁니다. I enjoy listening to music. 음악 감상 means listening to music or music listening literally. So you can just put something else. For me, I can say 여행을 즐깁니다. I enjoy traveling. 한국어를 1년째 공부하고 있습니다. I've been learning Korean for 1 year. So if you speak Korean to Korean people in Korea, they will be surprised. I'll be surprised if someone just suddenly talk to me in Korean. Then you get asked, 한국어 얼마나 공부했어요? How long have you studied Korean? And if you just started studying Korean, you can say 한국어를 한 달째 공부하고 있습니다. I've been studying Korean for 1 month. 안녕하세요. 만나서 반갑습니다. Hello, it's nice to meet you. In general, like if you meet someone, before you talk about your name or after you talk about a name, you can say 안녕하세요. 만나서 반갑습니다. Hello, it's nice to meet you. Or if you know the other person is younger than you, or you just want to be a little bit more casual, you can say 안녕 만나서 반가워. koreanclass101.com에서 한국어를 배우고 있습니다. I'm studying Korean at koreanclass101.com. So people ask you where you learn Korean from, and you can proudly say that koreanclass101.com에서 한국어를 배우고 있습니다. Or if you're learning Korean at a language school, you can say that 어학원에서 한국어를 배우고 있습니다. I'm learning Korean at a language school. Okay, that's all 10 lines you need for introducing yourself. Leave some comments and introduce yourself using one of the expressions that we introduced in this video. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. 다음 시간에 뵙겠습니다. 안녕히 계세요.
With these can-do videos, you'll see real-life situations where you have to introduce yourself, talk about your family, or give your contact information. So, by the end, you can do them yourself in Korean. This video is a small portion of our Can-Do course. To get the full course, including translations, grammar tools, and assessment tests, click the link in the description. Welcome to Can-Do Korean by KoreanClass101.com.
안녕하세요 여러분, 김소피입니다. Hi everyone, I'm Sophie Kim. In this lesson, you will learn how to introduce yourself in Korean.
This is Mark Morris. He's on a plane to Korea. Mingyu Moon, a passenger sitting next to him, introduces himself by saying, "Hello, I'm Mingyu Moon. Nice to meet you."
안녕하세요. 저는 문민규입니다. 반갑습니다.
Listen to the conversation and focus on Mark's response. Note, the speakers in this conversation use formal Korean. Ready?
안녕하세요. 저는 문민규입니다. 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 모리스 마크입니다. 반갑습니다.
Once more with the English translation.
안녕하세요. 저는 문민규입니다. 반갑습니다.
Hello, I'm Mingyu Moon. Nice to meet you.
안녕하세요. 저는 모리스 마크입니다. 반갑습니다.
Hello, I'm Mark Morris. Nice to meet you. Wondering how you can master these conversations even faster? Here's how. 1. Read along. You get the lesson conversation and translations inside our dialogue tool so that you see each word as you hear it and understand it all. 2. Practice speaking. By shadowing what you hear, you can also record and compare yourself with native speakers with our voice recording tools. And 3. Take our assessment tests and see how much you remember. These tools are part of our Can-Do course. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Let's take a closer look at Mark's response.
Do you remember how Mark Morris introduces himself? Hello, I'm Mark Morris. Nice to meet you.
안녕하세요. 저는 모리스 마크입니다. 반갑습니다.
First is
안녕하세요.
meaning hello.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
This phrase is usually the first thing someone says when making a self-introduction in Korean.
안녕하세요.
Before we look at how Mark introduces his name, let's look at the last part of Mark's response. The phrase is,
반갑습니다.
this literally means happy to meet you, but translates as nice to meet you.
반갑습니다. 반갑습니다.
Do you remember how Mark says, I'm Mark Morris?
저는 모리스 마크입니다.
First is
저,
meaning I.
저.
This is the humble word for I. Next is
는,
the topic marking particle.
는.
It marks I as the topic of this sentence. Think of it like as for in the expression as for me. Together, it's
저는,
as for me.
저는.
Next is Mark Morris's name. Notice the name order. First is Mark's family name,
모리스,
Morris.
모리스.
Followed by his first name,
마크,
Mark.
마크, 마크,
Together, it's
모리스 마크,
Morris Mark.
모리스 마크,
In Korean, the order is family name first, followed by given names. Mingyu Moon also uses this name order when he says
문민규,
family name Moon, followed by given name Mingyu. Last is,
입니다,
in this case, it's like the am in I am.
입니다, 입니다, 입니다,
Is the formal form of the verb,
이다,
meaning to be.
이다.
Altogether, it's
저는 모리스 마크입니다.
this literally means, as for me, Morris Mark, I am. But it translates as, I'm Mark Morris.
저는 모리스 마크입니다.
The pattern is,
저는 name입니다.
I'm name.
저는 name입니다.
To use this pattern, simply replace the name placeholder with your name. Imagine you're Karen Morris.
카렌, 모리스, 카렌, 모리스, 카렌, 모리스.
Say, I'm Karen Morris. Use Korean name order. Family name first, followed by given name. Ready?
저는 모리스 카렌입니다.
I'm Karen Morris.
저는 모리스 카렌입니다.
Note, there are two versions of the topic marking particle.
Then follows words that end in the vowel. N follows words that end in a consonant. Let's look at some examples. Vowels. In the dialogue, 는 follows 저, as 저 ends in a vowel. 저는 as for me. 저는. Consonants. In the case of words that end in consonants, like 오늘, meaning today, 은 follows. 오늘은, 오늘은.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
안녕하세요. 저는 문민규입니다. 반갑습니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 문민규입니다. 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 모리스 마크입니다. 반갑습니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 모리스 마크입니다. 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 모리스 카렌입니다. 반갑습니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 모리스 카렌입니다. 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 김소피입니다. 반갑습니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 김소피입니다. 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 심선영입니다. 반갑습니다. 안녕하세요. 심선영입니다. 반갑습니다.
Did you notice how the last speaker omits 저는?
Wondering how you can master these conversations even faster? Here's how. 1. Read along. You get the lesson conversation and translations inside our dialogue tool so that you see each word as you hear it and understand it all. 2. Practice speaking. By shadowing what you hear, you can also record and compare yourself with native speakers with our voice recording tools. And 3. Take our assessment tests and see how much you remember. These tools are part of our Can-Do course. Just click the link in the description to get them. She says,
심선영입니다.
I'm Sun Young Shim.
심선영입니다.
She omits
저는
and says her name,
심선영
followed by.
입니다.
In Korean, when the context is clear, the speaker often omits the topic. In this case, it's clear the speaker is talking about herself. The pattern is
name 입니다.
I'm name.
name 입니다.
Do you remember my introduction at the start of the lesson? 김소피입니다. I'm Sophie Kim. 김소피입니다.
This is shortened in the same way, by omitting.
저는
You should be aware of this shortcut, but for this lesson, we'll use the pattern.
저는 name입니다.
I'm name.
저는 name입니다.
Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. Then, repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say hello? 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. And how to say nice to meet you. 반갑습니다. 반갑습니다. Do you remember how to say I? 저. And how to say as for me. 저는. Do you remember how Mark Murray says his name? 모리스 마크. And how Mark Murray says, I'm Mark Maurice. 저는 모리스 마크입니다. 저는 모리스 마크입니다. Do you remember how Mark Murray says, Hello, I'm Mark Maurice. Nice to meet you.
안녕하세요. 저는 모리스 마크입니다. 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 모리스 마크입니다. 반갑습니다. And do you remember how Mingyu Moon says, Hello, I'm Mingyu Moon. Nice to meet you.
안녕하세요. 저는 문민규입니다. 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 문민규입니다. 반갑습니다.
Let's practice. Imagine you're.
모리스 카렌.
Respond to Mingyu Moon's self-introduction. Ready?
안녕하세요. 저는 문민규입니다. 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 모리스 카렌입니다. 반갑습니다.
Listen again and repeat.
안녕하세요. 저는 모리스 카렌입니다. 반갑습니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 모리스 카렌입니다. 반갑습니다.
Let's try another. Imagine you're.
심선영.
Ready?
안녕하세요. 저는 문민규입니다. 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 심선영입니다. 반갑습니다.
Listen again and repeat.
안녕하세요. 저는 심선영입니다. 반갑습니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 심선영입니다. 반갑습니다.
Let's try one more. Imagine you're.
김소피.
Ready?
안녕하세요. 저는 문민규입니다. 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 김소피입니다. 반갑습니다.
Listen again and repeat.
안녕하세요. 저는 김소피입니다. 반갑습니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 김소피입니다. 반갑습니다. When introducing yourself as a Korean learner, use the name or name order with which you'd like to be addressed. For example, you might want to share only your given name. 저는 카렌입니다. I'm Karen. 저는 카렌입니다. Or you might want to give your given name followed by your family name. 저는 카렌 모리스입니다. I'm Karen Maurice. 저는 카렌 모리스입니다. This is the end of this lesson.
Now, here's what you can do to cement this conversation in your head. Review the conversation with our dialogue tool and lesson transcripts. Study the key words and phrases with our spaced repetition flashcards. Review the key grammar and cultural tips inside the lesson notes. And test yourself with our assessment tests. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to access our Can-Do course.
Well done! Now you know how to introduce yourself in Korean. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson. Welcome to KoreanClass101.com's 3분 한국어, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Korean. 안녕하세요, Amy예요. 반가워요. Hi, I'm Amy. Nice to meet you. In this series, 한분 한국어, we're going to learn basic Korean expressions. It's super easy and it takes only 3 minutes. First of all, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Korean. There are a few different ways to do it depending on how formal you want to be. Let's first look at an informal way to introduce yourself. 안녕, Amy야. 반가워. Hi, I'm Amy. Nice to meet you. 안녕, Amy야. 반가워. Here, 안녕 means peace, so literally you say peace to say hello in Korean. Next, you can say your name, then add the sentence ending particle 야. My name is Amy, so I say Amy야. Finally, you say 반가워. 반가워 means nice to meet you. Now you try it. Start by saying 안녕, then say your name followed by 야. If your name is David, you can say 데이비드야. Finally say 반가워. 안녕 데이비드야. 반가워. Now let's see a formal version. 안녕하세요. Amy예요. 반가워요. Hi, I'm Amy. Nice to meet you. 안녕하세요. Amy예요. 반가워요. What has changed from the previous introduction? Let's take a close look at these together. First, 안녕 has to change to 안녕하세요. 하세요 is the verb meaning to do. If you add 하세요 next to 안녕, it becomes more formal and polite. 안녕하세요. Next, you can replace the particle 야 with 에요. Both of them are sentence ending particles, and you can put them after nouns. But 야 is informal and 에요 is formal. So if you say Amy예요 instead of Amy야, you can introduce your name in more formal way. Finally, 반가워요. Do you remember how to say nice to meet you in the informal way? 반가워. Here, you can simply add the particle 요 at the end of the verb. Then it becomes formal. 요 is a particle that can make a sentence polite. 반가워요. One more time. The formal way to introduce yourself is 안녕하세요. Amy예요. 반가워요. The informal way to introduce yourself is 안녕, Amy야. 반가워. Now it's time for Amy's insights. When you introduce yourself in Korea, it's polite to make a small bow. If you're a guy, bow with your hands at your sides. If you're a girl, bow with your hands in front of you. Bow from the waist. You don't have to dip down very far. Do you know how to say thank you in Korean? You will learn how to say this and many other words in the next lesson. 다음에 봐요. See you then.
Hey everyone, Alicia here. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, how's your mother? After watching this video, you'll be able to talk about well-being and ask how someone is doing. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Conversation About Family Well-Being PDF cheat sheet for free. Now let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
어머니는 어떠셔? 어머니는 괜찮으셔.
Once more with the English translation.
어머니는 어떠셔?
How's your mother?
어머니는 괜찮으셔.
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say how's your mother? That's.
어머니는 어떠셔?
Listen to it again.
어머니는 어떠셔? 어머니는 어떠셔?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
어머니는
state of well-being. This Korean sentence literally means my mother is, but it translates as she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
어머니는 괜찮으셔. 어머니는 괜찮으셔.
Here are a few expressions related to well-being that you can use with this pattern. Great,
잘 지내는 잘 지내는
fine,
괜찮은 괜찮은
so-so,
그냥 그런 그냥 그런
not good,
안 괜찮은 안 괜찮은
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
어머니는 어떠셔? 어머니는 잘 지내셔. 어머니는 어떠셔? 어머니는 그냥 그러셔. 어머니는 어떠셔? 어머니는 안 괜찮으셔.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, how's your mother?
어머니는 어떠셔?
Imagine she's great. Do you remember how to say great?
잘 지내는 잘 지내는
Say, she's great.
어머니는 잘 지내셔.
Now, answer the question saying she's great.
어머니는 어떠셔? 어머니는 잘 지내셔.
Now imagine she's so-so. Do you remember how to say so-so?
그냥 그런 그냥 그런
Say, she's so-so.
어머니는 그냥 그러셔.
Now, answer the question saying she's so-so.
어머니는 어떠셔? 어머니는 그냥 그러셔.
Now imagine she's not good. Do you remember how to say not good?
안 괜찮은 안 괜찮은
Say, she's not good.
어머니는 안 괜찮으셔.
Now, answer the question saying she's not good.
어머니는 어떠셔? 어머니는 안 괜찮으셔.
In this lesson, you learn new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk about well-being. You're now able to talk about how someone is feeling like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell me how you are today. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye! Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Korean ebook before it's gone.